Racing just is started. We have Hello Apo, Grace Park Boy in between horses. Classic Play, Matang Tubig comes next. Then followed by Michika while he stand. And always the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader and going along for the first turn. We have Classic Play. Now takes command. Grace Park Boy is running by the rail. Length back in third comes Hello Apo. Matang Tubig comes next. Michika while he stand. And is still racing in less up mile distance. They traveled. We have 2 runners party route for the lead. Grace Park Boy is down on the inside. Classic Play alongside. Then 4 lengths back in third comes Hello Apo, Matang Tubig, Michika while Easton and is still racing in less. And at the fourth turn, 2 runners keep on matching their strides together. Grace Park Boy, Classic Play is on the outside. Hello Apo, Michika, Matang Tubig while Easton and is still racing in less. And Diana entering the home stretch. Grace Park Boy, Classic Play is on the outside as they swing for home. Grace Park Boy, Classic Play is on the outside. Michika na win third. Last 100 meters, we have Classic Play. Grace Park Boy, Michika is down in third. We have Classic Play, Grace Park Boy, and finally, Classic Play, Grace Park Boy. Then comes Michika is down and
Alright, number 2, Classic Play. Crossing the Warpers, ridden by Mark Alvarez. Then namitahan niya, ulong si Grace Park Boy. Then Michika Stanino. Panoorin natin replay nitong race number 4. At eto, prueba ni Classic Play. 1:23, clips of 7, 24, 24 and a half, finishing at 27 and a half. That's Classic Play with Mark Alvarez.